so legit. Nice job. Well done. Trying to consolidate all that dirt into one pile. Just clean it up with the excavator left. Using the front end loader like a bulldozer. He's just trying to get straight. Pull it back. All the remaining dirt that's there, sweep it up into one pile, then turn around, and what he'll do is he'll merge it into this big pile as you see on the left. Gets straight, pulls the bucket down, and then pulls it back. Waiting for another train to come through here. We just filmed a little bit of this for right now. This is pretty legit right here, man. A roller back there too. It's 4 men that's on this crew on this part of the job. Got a guy on the excavator, a guy on the front end loader, and a guy on the roller. You had another guy as another spotter. So one of those guys left, so now they're down to 3 guys. Just take a look at what he's doing here. Giving hand signals. here comes the roller, here to compact the dirt. He should make one more pass and then he'll sweep it up. Yep, he's going to sweep it up. Probably tell him to back up more. Now he's going to let the roller back there do his work. See right there. Alright, back, front end loader's going to move. Two machines working at the same time. And we get the front end loader as he consolidates the dirt into that big pile as you see right there. There you go. Well done. Probably get another scoop out of it. Shouldn't be that much more. Look at that. Beautifully done. Beautiful. He's going to give us back up and let you watch the roller for a little bit. He's going to do a little more flattening right here. That last little bit of dirt. Yep, it's just a little bit of dirt left for that front end loader to get. Didn't look like it. Wait a minute. He's going to get this a little bit closer. This is construction fun. Alright, front end loader is now finished. You can hear the roller is running now. That drum is actually vibrating. He's trying to pack that dirt down in there tight as he rolls over it. I'll zoom in a little bit and let you look at this operation. He's smoothing out all the dirt and gravel that the excavator slash front end loader had scooped up, and they have gotten the dirt like they want it. Now they just take the roller and they just roll right over to make it nice and level. Let's back that up a little bit here. And they mostly use these for asphalt jobs. When you have the road, when you level out the asphalt as much as you can, you don't get it quite exactly level. That's why they take the roller, which is a very useful tool, and they use them. I moved the camera a little bit so you can actually see it. You can already feel the vibrations right now on the ground. Look at that. Well done. Job well done by Tidewater Utility Construction. That's one of the other guys that just pulled up. And this is a slow operation. This is not a fast operation. Just look at it go. You got to see all three pieces of machines operate today. You got to see the excavator earlier, and now you've gotten two in this video. Telling him to cut his wheel. Alright, you hear? The vibration's been cut off. Alrighty, that concludes this video. We'll see if we can try to get another train in.